Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today, and in this video we will be discussing that Power Ministry to launch a manufacturing program for critical equipment. Now a domestic manufacturing program for critical power and renewable energy equipment will be launched by the Ministry of Power in the financial year 2021. The program has an outlay of rupees 1500 crore. Now, what is manufacturing zones under the Atmanirbhar Bharat package? See, this scheme was announced in the union budget and it would set up 3 manufacturing zones per year. The 3 zones are divided into 3 categories. Firstly, the coastal, secondly, the landlocked, and thirdly, the hilly states. See, the scheme would also call for the offers from the states to submit the applications in order to set up these zones, and all of the 3 selected zones would get rupees 500 crore each in order to development the manufacturing hubs. Further, the zone will also be given the open access to power supply in the selected states which are unable to supply cheaper electricity. And the states will also set up a special purpose vehicle SPV which would be transferred to the private companies when they set up the manufacturing facilities. Now, how the states will be selected? See, a committee would be selected to decide which state offers the best facilities for these zones, and the selection criteria would be based on land and cheap infrastructure. It would also look after the facilities such as electricity, sewage, treatment, water, etc. Further, center would also provide common infrastructure and testing facilities at these zones. Now coming to the equipment testing facility. So the equipment testing facility for the power equipment will be set up by Central Power Research Institute, and while for the renewable equipment testing facility will be set up by National Institute for Solar Energy and National Institute of Wind Energy. Now why is it being launched? See, in September 2020, the Union Power Ministry had released a list of 80 items which are imported despite having sufficient domestic capacity. Thus, these facilities are being set up with the aim of setting up of the manufacturing of new age equipment which are not available in Indian market. Further, after the border clashes with China in Galwan Valley of Ladakh, the Ministry of Power has also announced the import restrictions on equipment that are used of power supply systems and network because of security threat and cyber attacks. Thus, the setting of such facilities becomes significant.